Good morning, future Botcats. I want to thank you so much for participating in the Botcat STEM Kits for the month of October. My name's Kate, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a penny spinner. So some of the supplies that we give you already are the paper templates, which have designs for you to draw. We give you the cardboard for your penny spinner, and we give you the glue stick, and we give you the penny or the piece of change. Things that you'll need to have at home are a pair of scissors and something to color with. So the first step in the penny spinner is to go ahead and draw and color your penny spinner any way you like. So I'm going to give you guys just a moment to do that. If you need more time, just pause the video and take as long as you need to color your penny spinner. Now that our penny spinners are all colored, it's time to glue them to the piece of cardboard. So you'll use your glue stick and put glue on the back, so the side you didn't color, of the paper. And then stick it on. Now you've done one side, and it's time to do the other. Make sure to get the corners and the sides of your penny spinner so that it sticks really good and doesn't come off. Now that you've got the paper on both sides of the cardboard, it's time to cut a slit in the center of your penny spinner. That is where your piece of change is going to go. Now it's going to be time to use our scissors. So if you need to ask an adult for help, now's the time. We're going to open up our scissors, and we're going to be very careful to cut a hole in the middle. So you're going to push down with the tip of the scissors until it goes through. And you'll know it goes through because you'll see it come out on the other side. Sometimes you'll have to come at it from both sides and push down to make sure it really, really leaves a hole big enough. Then, once the tip of the scissor has gone through, you'll want to wiggle it around just a little bit so that it's big enough for your piece of change. You can test it and see if your penny fits, and if it doesn't, keep going. Once you can fit your penny all the way through, push it so it's nice and snug in there, and so that it reaches between the two sides. Now it's time to spin. You can put down your penny spinner and flick it and watch it spin. Thanks again for your support of the West Broward High School Botcats. See you next time.